Good morning, everyone. In the last session, we discussed about what is the status of our project development and what are the things that are there in the project. Okay, so what are the backend APIs available and what are the front end functionalities are available. So the major project status we discussed. So in the backend, there are four APIs. One is product API, next one orders API, third one customers API, and fourth one admin API. Coming to the front end, we divided into four parts. First one, product listing, categories, searching the products, product master view is available, and cart functionality, cart view functionality, incrementing the decrementing the items in the cart. Then checkout functionality, payment gateway, order confirmation is available in the front end. Then customer functionalities we discussed, customer registration, customer login, customer dashboard, forgot password and reset password is available. And we discussed about admin functionality. Yesterday, I have given admin functionality for two people, admin dashboard. When admin login into the application, admin dashboard should be displayed and the reports functionality is available and dynamic search is also available in the reports. So let me check currently what is there in the front end. Let me open my VS Code IDE. Go to our project directory. E-commerce front end is available. So first let me take the latest code from the Git repository, guys. So let me see what are the code changes has been pushed to the Git repository. So I'm in the front end application. Currently I am pointing to develop branch, Git status. So I don't have any changes in my local. I need to take the latest changes from the repository. For that, I'm going to use git pull command. Yeah. When I use git pull command, it is saying already up to date. So that means from HTTP e-commerce front-end app, main branch is there. Right. Code space dot. Oh, I'm not able to access my Visual Studio Code. Let me download the Visual Studio Code. I think I have lost that Visual Studio Code. Guys, anybody committed the code to the front-end application? I don't see any update.
No, sir. Actually, I wanted to verify the changes first.
Okay,
Uh, then I was going to commit.
okay.
Also, when I integrated the code from the Git, I was not able to see the categories at the left side.
Maybe backend API integration is not working. Yeah, Tejal, whatever the code that you have as of now, you can just push that code because the login is required, right?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, you push the code to develop branch now. Guys, yesterday I have given admin API for two people. What is the status of that?
Yeah, morning. Good morning, Ashok sir. So, Rajesh has developed the backend API. There will be a small change in the backend API also there. And like front end, I have developed almost almost it's completed, 80% is completed. I have been facing some issue, so I will be discussing that like in today's lecture. But I
Okay.
have developed my like the front end on another repo, not in the integrated one, because in my system it was not working earlier, but later on then the develop branch was working fine for me. So,
Okay.
so for now, I have done the changes in another repository. So, like, I will show you the changes, and after like today, I will be integrating the latest code, and then I will be pushing the code.
Okay. 1 minute. So first let me take the latest changes of Tejal. Tejal, are you pushing the code changes now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do that. And one more thing, customer API also she has given me yesterday.
Sir, I've made some changes in that because my according to my UI.
Yeah. So
Uh,
you push those changes also. I will pull all the latest code changes now.
okay. That I sent you over my using my repository, right?
Yeah, right. Your repository.
So I should commit on that and then share you the link.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Guys, remaining people, anybody facing any issue in the development?
Sir, can I share my screen when I'm trying to commit?
Sorry?
Can I share my screen?
Yes, you
Yeah.
can. Yeah, share your screen.
Is it visible?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay. I will use Git GUI, right? Or
Yes, Git GUI.
okay, first let me check the branch. Status on branch develop. I need to commit and then push, right?
Correct.
Mm. So can you check now?
Push is completed.
Yeah, yeah.
Push it to the develop branch only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I got the changes. Yes, I'm able to take the latest
Okay.
code changes. It's,
Okay, meanwhile, I will do the customer API thing. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, push the changes to customer API.
Okay.
Guys, all of you able to see my screen? I have taken Tejal latest code changes in the VS Code from the Git by using git pull command. I have taken the latest code changes. She created admin dashboard and she has done some changes to app component, login component, register component, reset password, forgot password. So lot of components that she created. I have taken the latest code by using git pull command. It is in the develop branch. And I have product API which we developed in the class, and I have taken orders API which is developed by Sahil, and I have taken customer API which is developed by Tejal. Okay, so now I want to run all these APIs and I want to see how the functionality is working in the backend, right? Tejal, let me know once you are able to push the code changes to customer API. I will take the latest code from the customer API.
Yes.
Meanwhile, let me check DB properties in the remaining applications. Application and properties file. Orders API, resources, port number 9090. Yeah. Driver class name, username, password, DDL auto, server port number, razor pay keys available. These properties are not required. So these are my database properties I have configured here. This is for orders API. The next one, customer API is available. SRC main resources application properties. This is with the different port number with the username and password.
So can you check now?
Yep, this. Oh, this. I got the latest code changes for customer API also. Now I need to change the DB properties. So I configured my database properties here in the customer API. Yes. So I have all the three backend APIs. One is product API, and the next one is orders API, and the third one is a customers API. So now I need to run all these backend APIs, and I have my front end application. So I have taken the latest code for the front end application. In the front end application, the port numbers configuration we need to check properly. Coming to the services, cart service is available and the checkout service is available. It is talking to the backend orders API. Then product service is available, which is talking to product API. Register service 8082. Reset password service 808. Okay, good. Now we need to run all the backend APIs first. First product API is there. Go to that start class of the product API and let me run this. So product API which we developed in the class, it is going to run on the port number 8080, default port number for this product API. Okay. And the next one, order API is available. Order API, it is going to run on the port number 9090. Yes, let me try to run this orders API. Yeah. Orders API is getting started. Then go to customers API, which is running on the port number 8082. Customer API. Yes. Lombok is used. Okay, there is a problem in this order API. Product API is started successfully. Customer API is starting. Order API is not started, maybe because of Java version issue. Go to pom.xml. Java version 17 I have in my system, not 23. Let me configure Java version 17. Then run this again.
Sir, can you make changes in one customer API because I've made the changes. I think so. I didn't commit that. The phone
Okay.
number column is different.
Okay. I will take the
Yeah,
latest
yeah.
changes.
No, no, I didn't make changes. I'm just.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is expecting Java 22. Guys, 1 minute, I will be back. Meanwhile, you guys set up the project. I will be back now.
I think we can download on the IntelliJ, sir. I am trying to.
Hi, Tejal. I think you're working on the customer API, right? I think you. Hello, Tejal.
Yeah, yeah. Hello.
Yeah. So actually, I'm seeing the I think GitHub repo for the e-commerce. I think front end.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm able to see the how to say uh, the checkout one and the latest code everything, but it seems
Okay.
dated. So where you are maintaining in the same link where Ashok has given right?
Yeah, in the develop branch, can you see the changes?
Oh, okay, developments, right? One minute, I'm going through that one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so yes, I can see changes now. That's
Okay, okay.
the main thing. Okay.
Guys, I'm not able to run this order API. It is saying Java 22 version expected. Let me reload this project. So in my system, Java 17 is available. So I'm trying to run this with Java 17. Version I configured as Java 17. Let's try to run this again. I'm getting some issues. Why mail dependency is added? It's not required, right? Already mail is available in the boot starter. Sahil, why this mail dependency is added?
At first, I thought I needed to send mail regarding payment is successful, but later on,
Spring Boot
removed those
starter mail
things.
is already available to send the email. That's not required, right? Already we have Spring Boot starter email, which is used to send the mails. And import statements. See the problem, you have committed the code without importing all the packages. So there are
Okay.
some issues available in the code. Your code committee is not proper.
Okay.
Now you see all these packages are not imported. Compilation issues
Mm.
available in the code.
Yeah. Sorry, Ashok.
Column we need to import. Date we need to import. Yes. Now let me try again. Yeah, now it is getting started. Let me open my database. Yeah. Order API is started and the customer API is also started. So with this guys, all my three backend APIs are running: product API, order API, and customer API. Now I'm trying to start my front end application, and let me open my database as well.
Ashok, in the front end, there are no categories anymore. Did you ask to change that?
No,
That remember router link category /1/2. It's not there in app component HTML. The last I cloned.
I will check it guys. Maybe any code integration issue we got. So use this database, show the tables. Now customer table created, order table created, order items, order items, two times table created. We need to look into this issue. Product table, product category, order items. Why again one more table, orders and order items created? Somebody has given the wrong entity name. Order items created. Think in the customer API.
My table name is this is order
Order items.
table.
There is another table created which is wrong. Orders and order items. From where we got this table? In the product API, I don't have the order table. And if I go to order API, here DTO, order item DTO is available. Huh.
Sir, my table name is order.
Yeah, I got it. So Sahil, why you created this many to many in the order item DTO again? Why you mapped it, man?
Yeah, yes, sir. That's a mistake. Sorry.
You don't need this mapping, right? This is just a DTO.
Yeah.
Purchase DTO, purchase. There are two.
That's not required. I just so this is Kanan's idea. We thought we either import all the classes or we write each and every value in the class
Now
inside.
I can remove these annotations from the DTO, right?
Yes.
These are not required.
Yeah, I can remove that private order also, I think.
This is also not required. So let me stop. And I need to drop this table order and order items. It is not required for us. Go to the tables, orders and order items table is available. Let me drop it. Okay. Now show tables. Address table, customer, order item, orders, product category table is available. Okay, in the customer table, what are the values? Customer ID, name, password, phone number, email ID, date created, last updated. Okay, perfect. So some changes we have done to the order API, guys. We removed unwanted tables and unwanted properties from the binding classes. Front end is started, we will see. Again, it is creating.
Sir, the order items, the table name is order item still because the class name is order item.
But it is creating orders underscore order items. The entity order table. I need to one element collection. Yeah, this is the problem. Because of this, it is creating like that. Because of many to element collection, list of order items. And in the order item, it belongs to many to one join column. Sahil, what is the purpose of this annotation?
I
Sahil,
thought
is this required?
no, sir. Okay.
Can I remove this?
Sir wants to go to order service. So in here, sir, line number 89. Sir, I think you have not taken the latest code, but that's okay. What I did was I added the new order, and then after that, line number 85, I put in 93.
You want me to take the
So,
latest?
yes, sir. Once take the latest code and change to 17 once again.
I think I made some code changes now. Okay, so if I comment this, I don't have any problem, no?
I don't think so, no, sir. I think other items table will be null, but we'll check that if it is, it's anyway okay.
It started now. Now the table is not created. Okay. So I think that because of that extra property, the new table is getting created. I have deleted that now. Customer API is also started. Front end application started. Go to browser, localhost colon 4200. Yeah.
Sir, actually, my logout part is pending. To enable the logout once login is done. That part
Register,
is
register we no need to display here. When we click on the login, here we can give the registration option.
okay, fine.
We can remove that from because it is looking very hard to display.
Yeah, fine.
Registration button we can give in the login page. Okay. So you told that menu is not coming. Menu is coming now.
Yeah, previously it was not coming.
Category
Sir,
menu.
I think you are using main branch code, maybe in the develop code, whatever it is.
No, sir. I am
Because
also using develop branch code only. So in the my
in
main branch,
our,
this functionality will not be available now. Login, forgot password.
yes, sir. Whereas that router link, these things are not present in our code or somehow then.
You can take the latest code now.
Okay, sir.
I think place order is not working. Yeah, we are getting the problem in the order API. Bad request, the amount must be an integer. Order request is there, currency amount multiplied by 100. Adding a product, proceed to checkout, enter the details, some information, order summary, price is 5, place order. So,
Sir, and one more thing that the password is not getting saved while trying to register for the first time.
so this order is not getting inserted. Insert into customer orders. Razorpay integration is failing. Cannot invoke iterator because order items is null. Order service.java. Line number 89. Purchase DTO dot get order. order items are coming as null value. Purchase DTO get order, purchase DTO dot get order items. So you are not getting order items in the purchase DTO. So that's why it is coming as null. So it is failing here. So we need to see what is the issue with the order API. Order controller, create order. We need to check this getting into purchase order. Let me run in the debug mode to find out what is the issue here. I will go to order service. In the order service, I kept a breakpoint now. I want to see why the order items are not coming to the backend. Yeah, it started. Click on place order. Yeah, I got the breakpoint now. So in the request purchase DTO order items, one item is available here. Okay, then amount we got, receipt we got, razor pay order we are trying to create by passing order request. Then purchase DTO get customer details, set phone number. And Sahil, this is wrong, right? By default, you are inserting the customer record. Okay, if the customer is already available, will you insert the customer every time? When we should insert the customer?
Option list are optional, sir.
No, we need to check with the email ID already record is available or not. Na?
Okay.
So we are inserting the customer by default. Suppose if I place 3 orders, so 3 times my record will be inserted into customer table. We should check already customer record is available or not. If the customer record is not available, then only we should insert that customer. Otherwise, we need to retrieve the existing customer only. Based on the given email ID, you need to check that record already present or not. If it is not present, then only we need to insert. That is a mistake here.
Okay.
Then coming to address, you are saving the address details. Then you are setting the order. You are saving the order and purchase DTO dot get order items. In the purchase DTO, we have order. In the purchase DTO order items are coming as null. So separate order items available, but you are trying to get it from the order items. Directly purchase order dot get order items you need to get. Then each order item you can save. Item dot set order new order. So here also there is a code change required because get order dot order items you are getting as empty list, null value you are getting, right? Because of that null value, it is giving the exception. So in the order service, purchase DTO, in the purchase DTO directly order items is available. You need to get the order items. Let me make the code change for this. Order items purchase DTO dot get order items directly we are getting. Okay. Let me run this again. It is failing. List of order items, which will give order item DTO. Order item DTO, we need to convert back to order item. Order item is equal to new order item. Right. Then I need to copy the properties. Item DTO is available. I want to copy the properties from DTO to entity. So for this, I'm using beanutils.copy properties from item DTO. I need to copy to the order item. Then for the order item, I will set the order and I will save the order item. So this is the code change I am doing. Then after inserting these order items, we are returning order response. In the order response, you are sending Razorpay order ID and order status you are sending. Where is that order tracking number? You are not sending order tracking number. Razorpay order ID and order state.
Tracking number, okay, so maybe it is latest code only again. I've created from backend, sir. I created a method called get tracking number. So I use the order and then the present date in
Okay. Order
string
tracking
format.
number we need to do. We need to send some tracking number. Order response dot set order tracking number. For now, I'm setting some dummy number. Something like this. Okay. Then let me go to this application. Let me run in the debug mode. We will see again the order is getting populated or not. Go to the table, select star from order. Select star from orders. The table name is orders. So 3 orders already created. We need to drop them. We need to delete them. And select star from order item. Item is not inserted, but order is inserted. And customer table is also available. Select star from customer and select star from address. So the records are already inserted for this. So now you see with the same customer, I tried to place 3 orders. So same customer record inserted 3 times in the table. This is not valid, right?
Okay.
Delete all the rows from the customer table. Okay, can't delete them. Orders table is available. We need to drop all these orders. Okay, let's check it once again. It is started now. Go back to the front end. Let me try to place the order now. Yeah, I got the breakpoint in the order API. So F8. Razorpay order is getting created. Customer data you are saving. Here you need to make a condition. If record is not available, then only we should insert the customer. And address data is there. Order data we are saving now. Now order items. So earlier we got the null here. Now we are able to get the order items. We are inserting order items now. Order items inserted. Finally, we are sending order response back to the UI. So when we send order response back to the UI, then payment gateway is working. So in this payment gateway, you can use net banking, wallet, anything is fine. Net banking or whatever it is. Loading this page, success. I am making this transaction as a successful transaction. The payment is getting confirmed. Once the payment is successful, we should be redirected to order confirmation page. Yeah, payment is successful. Your order has been placed successfully. Tracking number will come. Continue shopping is there. Okay. Now I need to log in into my application. Okay. For that, I need to my no email ID and password. Let me check in the database in the customer.
Sir, actually the password is not present, so you have to first use forgot password.
Okay. Password is
In the
not.
data, yeah, when you're placing the order. So manually, I did it.
This is my valid
Yeah.
email ID. So I think let me update correct email ID in the database to check the forgot password is working. I think here there are duplicate records available. That is another problem. Password is not there. I need to change these mail IDs. Customer record should be inserted only once based on the email ID, but here customer record inserted 3 times with the same data. So we should fix this problem.
Yeah, yes, sure, I'll fix it today.
Yeah. Now select start from customer. This is my record. My mail ID is available. I will try with the forgot password now. Okay, let me go to my Gmail account. So I am opening my email. I want to reset my password by using the application and we'll check how it will work now.
Sir, you have made changes to the SMTP
No,
properties.
your credentials only available in the SMT.
Yeah, fine, okay.
Go to login. First, let me try to log in. There is no password in the database. When I try to log in, it is giving invalid credentials. Tejal, display the message above invalid credentials. It is coming as a alert pop-up, right? We should give the message.
Okay. Yeah, actually, everywhere I've done alert only. Fine, I will add it to the page itself.
We need to change that one. Okay, now go to forgot password. Suppose if I am giving wrong mail ID with the forgot password, it will communicate to the customer API, send email. So nothing is happening here. Again, alert is coming. Email sent successfully true. So this is mistake, right?
Yeah.
With this mail ID, there is no record available in the database. Whatever the mail ID I'm using,
I think so. I've not checked if it's present or no.
we need to.
Yeah.
So I told you to check it in our website. How it is there in our website. If you go to ashokid.in, in this forgot password, if you give some wrong mail ID, if you try to give some wrong mail ID, suppose something like gmail.com, what it is saying now? What it is saying?
No records found.
No record found. That is missing here.
Yeah, I need to add that.
Yes. Now go back to the login. Remove this register button also here.
Yeah, I will add a hyperlink over
No need of in the login page, give the
login page.
hyperlink.
Yeah.
So small hyperlinks, sign up here, forgot password. You can give small hyperlinks here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let me try to email also. If I give the wrong mail ID, it should give you a message saying that no record available with this given mail ID.
Yeah, okay.
The record is present in the database, then only the email should go. After sending the email, don't give alert messages, display the message as here. How I'm displaying the message like this, right? No record found here. Okay. Suppose if I give valid mail ID, that should display success message, not the alert messages. Those things we need to change. Now
Yeah,
let
okay.
me give valid mail ID and click on send email. I have given valid mail ID, email sent successfully, it is saying. Yes, so I got this forgot password mail from e-commerce application. Link to reset the password. Let me go here and I got the option to reset the password. Again, you are asking mail ID. Suppose if I don't give the mail ID, if I don't give the mail ID, it will not work. So that also we need to change. New password and confirm password. Reset the password. Password updated successfully. Check in the database. Select
Sir, we will have to fetch the data from the mail once it's sending, right? How will
correct.
we check that? I'm not
In the
sure.
hyperlink, you can send that email.
Okay.
Yeah. In the hyperlink, we can check that, send that email. Yeah. Password is updated in the database. abc@123. I have given as my password. Login now. abc@123. Order details works.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually, I don't know the API which has been used for order detail, fetching the order details. That I need to discuss with Sahil.
Yeah, okay. Order details
Yeah.
component is loading. That is fine. And one more thing, after login, here again login is displaying.
Yeah,
It
actually,
should
that
login.
also. I have to check if it's authenticated, then I will have to display a
Ah,
logout page, logout button,
yeah,
and
if it
remove
is
the login.
authenticated, then you need to display logout button here. Okay. Next, admin login I want to check now.
Uh,
You hard coded admin credentials.
yeah, sir. Actually, the credentials are different because I think so the notes were not updated by that time. So, you can check the
Login component.
no login details. Login details.
Login details. Okay. Login details component.ts file. Yeah.
Yeah, here.
admin@gmail.com and admin123. admin@gmail.com and admin123. Okay. When I log in, admin dashboard is loading. That is fine. Admin component.html, login details component.html. Admin dashboard page will be available. Once admin login, admin dashboard page is working. So you can keep this inside a div kind of thing. Div class is
Yeah, you
equal
can add from the order details.
details.
There,
Yes.
yeah. There only I'm
Other
yeah.
details component
This
section is available. Admin dashboard works. We are able to access admin dashboard. So what are the things that we have identified today? What are the observations that I found? So in the order API, some mistakes. I think I don't have the latest code which is done by Sahil. So I have the orders API which is working now. And let me open the notes. So what are the observations I have today? First thing is from the Sahil side. Sahil, duplicate customer records are getting inserted. Duplicate customer records getting inserted. So when you got the order, you need to check the customer is already present or not. If the customer is already present, we should not insert that record. With the given mail ID, if the customer record is not available, then only we need to insert that customer. That is one thing that we need to check from the orders API. In orders API, duplicate customer records getting inserted, we should stop it. We should handle this scenario. If customer is already available, we should not insert. If customer is not available, then only we should insert. So that is one mistake that we need to fix. Coming to the UI application, coming to Angular app, the observations. The first thing is remove alert messages and display messages as text. Display messages as text. Remove alert messages and display message as a text using some span, using div kind of thing. Remove alert messages. So that means when I am giving the wrong credentials here, it is giving a alert message. We should not get the alert message. We should get the message in the same page above the fields. In the form only, we need to display the message invalid credentials. Okay, this is one thing. Remove alert messages, display message as a text using div. Then next one, remove register button. Remove register button from header and add it in login page as hyperlink. So whenever we open the application, here register button is coming. That's not recommended. So only login button will come. When you go to the login page, how the forgot password link is coming, in the same way we need to display sign up button here. Okay, that is one change that we need to do. And third one, remove register button from header and add it in login page as hyperlink. So password is not getting saved in the database. So when the Sahil has created the customer record, password is not getting saved, we will fix that issue. If I register here directly, is password populating, Tejal?
Yes, you can check.
Yeah, if I insert from here, for example, my name is something like Raju. Password I'm taking as Raju@123. My email ID. Yeah, registration completed successfully. So once you registration completed successfully, message should come here only and redirect to the another page, registration successful, because if you keep the user in the same page, there is a chance they
Okay.
will click on the button again.
Yeah, I need to redirect to the main page or
No. Create one more page, registration successful.
okay, fine.
Yeah. Go to database, customer Raju record is should be inserted. Yeah, Raju record is inserted in the table with password. Mail is also going, right? After sign up.
No, sir. I have not integrated the mail part.
Okay, that's fine. So Raju record is inserted here. So you need to remove the register button from the header, add it in login page as hyperlink. The next one, coming to the forgot password. Coming to the forgot password. Yeah. So for invalid email ID, in forgot password, for the given with the given email, if record not present, we should display error message. Saying no record found with given email. No record found with given email. That is the message. Now, fourth one. With the given email ID, if the record is available, then email is going, that is fine. Okay. You need to change the body of this email, Tejal. So in our Ashok IT, how the mail is coming, in the same way I want to integrate the email. Mail body, that should be changed properly. So yesterday I have shown you in my email how the reset password mail is coming, right? So the proper meaningful message is there.
Can you show it again?
Yeah, this is the one. I will send this a screenshot in our group.
Yeah, okay.
Password reset request email. This is the body. A template I'm sending in the body. This is basically a HTML template. We need to integrate this. Yeah. Forget password. And one more thing. In forget password, when given email, with given email, if record not present in BB, we should display error message saying no record found with given email. If record is available, anyhow we are sending the email to reset the password. Email body, reset password request email body. Reset password email body should be changed. Reference sent in group. Okay, I have sent a screenshot in the group. So I want the email should be sent like this. Okay. And one more thing, here if you observe, whenever you send the email for resetting the password.
I'm sending the hyperlink itself.
Am I asking the email ID again, or I'm not asking the
Yeah.
No,
I need to send the variable, right?
You need to pass that email ID in the somehow you should be able to capture. When you go to reset password, here your title should be changed. Again, you are asking email ID. You should not do that.
Yeah, okay.
So we should remove email field. We should not ask to enter email again. We should not ask customer to enter email in reset password page. Only they should give a new password. Already they have given email ID. With that email ID only we have sent the mail to them. That means we should know the mail. Our application should remember what is the mail ID they have given. So when they click on reset password, you should ask only new password, confirm password. Okay. And you need to validate new password, confirm password are matching or not.
Yeah, that's validated.
Yeah, that's validated.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if it is valid, then only we will click on reset password. Then the password will be updated in the database. We should not ask a customer to enter email in reset password page. Okay. So we should ask only new password and confirm password. If both are valid, then we should display. Okay. Then another thing that I have observed, after login successful, we should not display login button again in the header. After login successful, we should not display login button again in header. We should display logout button. So these are the observations.
Okay, sir, I will make the changes by today.
Yes, fine.
Hello.
So guys, all of you able to understand what we have done the testing and what are the gaps that we have identified in the application?
Hello. Hi, Ashok.
Yeah, hi.
Earlier when we are when you are giving the demo, I have observed one thing, like after the Razor Pay payment successful is done, and that when we are showing the tracking ID, the cart is not empty. It is still showing the details in the cart after the order is placed.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah, that I have to fix it, sir. Uh,
after payment is successful, we need to make the cart as empty.
yes, yes, I have to do that one. So once you load back to the login back to continue to shopping, the cart should be empty. I have to do some validation in the front end in the cart service. I think checkout service.
Yeah, so you Kanan, you check that after order is placed successfully, right? So you make that cart as empty.
Yes, yes, I will do that one.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, one more thing I observed here. If order is failed, you need to roll back the transaction, right?
Sorry?
If order is getting failed, we need to roll back the transaction, right?
Correct. Guys, could you please read the points, whatever the observations that we got? And one more thing that we identified, after placing order, cart should be empty, right? After placing order, cart should be empty. Kannan will take care of this functionality. After order is confirmed, our cart should be empty. So these functionalities will be taken care by Tejal. Okay. So orders API, duplicate customer record getting inserted. We should handle this scenario. So I can handle this scenario in the orders API. Order service is available. We are saving the customer record in the table. So let me make a condition here, customer repository dot find by email. So customer repository is available, customer table is available, email is available. Let me write one method in the customer repository. Sahil, why are you writing save method? It is predefined method, right? Why are you calling save method on your own? And why are you passing DTO object for that? What is this? Sahil?
Yeah, yes, Ashok. So,
Why are you calling save method again? This is not required, right? Save is already a
no.
predefined method in the JPA repository. That's not required.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to find out the customer records based on the given email ID. I should not insert duplicate records in the table. So for this, I'm going to write public customer find by email. So string email with the given email ID. I'm trying to search the customer record. If it is not available, then only I will insert find by email. Right. Whatever the email ID is there, purchase DTO dot get customer dot get email is available. With this email ID, I'm trying to get the customer record. Okay. If customer record is equal to null, if customer record is equal to null, then only I need to insert the record, otherwise it's not required. If customer repository, if customer is null, then only I need to save the customer. If the customer is null, then only I need to save the customer, otherwise I no need to save the customer. Customer C is equal to repository. Already we are getting the customer object here. So that customer object we created and we are saving that customer record. That customer record we are setting to the address now. Okay, for this customer object we need customer C is equal to, if customer is equal to null, then we will create and we will save. Customer C is equal to null, then we will create that customer object and we will save the customer. If a customer is already available, we will set that save customer object. C dot save customer. Customer is equal to null, I will save it.
Sir, duplicate the objects are here in
Yeah,
67 and
I'm removing that. I'm trying to retrieve the customer record based on the given email ID.
So you can replace it with custom underscore one or something. Yeah.
And I need this outside of this also. I need to set the customer data back to the address also. Save customer information. There is a chance of getting null value. If the customer equal to null, then customer is equal to new customer. Right. So I'm trying to retrieve custom whenever the order is placed. By default, I don't want to insert the customer record in the table. I'm going to make a call to the database customer repository dot find by email purchase DTO dot get customer. If the customer record is available, then I will not insert the customer because already with the given email ID record is available. Now, so the next one, if the customer is null, then the customer record will be new customer object will be created. We are setting the name, we are setting the email, and we are setting the phone number, and we are saving that customer record into database. Fine. Then we are inserting address data. Okay. And we are going to insert order. To insert the order, before that, before we are going to insert the order, razor pay order should be created. Here the razor pay order is getting created already. Initialize razor pay client, razor pay order is getting created. With that razor pay order, we are inserting the order into table. Then we are getting order items and we are inserting order items also. Then we are sending order response. Order tracking number I'm sending back to the UI. So let me check in the UI. Do I have order response tracking field? Application common is available. Order items order.ts purchase is there. Quantity price. Services. Checkout service.ts is there. Place the order. So it is giving any response. Then I should go to checkout component. Checkout component.html, checkout component.ts. On submit, initiate razor pay payment. After payment is successful, payment success is true, then we are navigating, continue shopping. Razor pay open, payment is successful, payment success is true, continue shopping method. We are redirecting to the shop. So we need to display order tracking number here. We should send the order tracking number. We should display that order tracking number once the order is completed. On submit, we are creating order and we are taking order items. We are preparing the purchase order with all the data and we are placing the order. It is going to create the order and it will get the order ID and the order tracking ID. Response.order tracking ID. This is changed. Here I have used the variable name as tracking number. Order tracking number. Razor pay order ID will come and order tracking number will come. I'm storing that order tracking number. Then initiate razor pay payment. Initiate razor pay payment. Razor pay key, amount, e-commerce order, handler, payment successful. Pre-fill the customer name, email, phone number. Razor pay will open. Then after this is completed, we are making payment success. After payment successful, handler will come back here. We are giving continue shopping. Where we are calling this continue shopping method. Kanan, where are you calling this method?
So once I think payment is done, okay, I
Payment
think the
done.
payment is true. So in the checkout, I think front end, thing HTML, if you see, so there is an option.
Checkout
So,
HTML.
if it is true,
Okay, then only you are displaying that button.
yeah, displaying the button. So there we have option, I think method has given to continue shopping. It will take to the back to the
Address information is there and the checkout component place order button is clicked. Then it will go to on submit. On the razor pay open. I don't see the link where this method is getting called.
Can you go to checkout.html? Just go on the top. Can you
Checkout.html in the top.
the top? If you go on the top, yeah. See, there's
Okay. If the payment is success, then you are displaying
I displaying the content.
order tracking ID. So now order tracking ID also will be displayed. I mapped the correct variable. Then you are giving continue shopping. Okay. Once the order is placed, here you need to make the cart as empty.
Yes, I will do that. I will check.
Yeah. Continue shopping function is available. Continue shopping when I click on this. After order is completed here, once the payment is successful, here only you can make that cart items empty, right?
Yes, I have to integrate with the cart HTML.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can make the cart, just you remove items from the cart. So cart service dot cart items, if you make null, then cart items will become null.
Yes. So I
So,
think we have to.
cart service, we are fetching the items from the cart service. Cart service dot cart items will be available. So if you see cart items map we are getting, right? You can make these cart items as null. From the cart service, you're getting the cart items. You need to update the cart items as null. Then the cart will become empty.
Okay, sure.
You can handle that scenario. After placing the order, cart should become empty. Any other observations we have, guys? Any other observations we have? I think this also completed. Duplicate customer records getting inserted. We should handle this. I'm able to stop this now. Duplicate customer records will not be inserted. In the order service, I have done the check for that. And whenever the customer record is inserted, currently it is inserting the record. So later point of time, what we will do, whatever the customer data is coming, instead of inserting the customer record from here, we can make a inter-service communication. Whenever the order placed, it can talk to customer API. If the customer is not available, then order API can talk to the customer API to register the customer in the database. So just to show you inter-service communication, the order API is going to communicate with the customer API with the given mail ID. If the customer record is not available, currently what I am doing, I am inserting the customer record. So in future, once all the functionalities are completed, then I will remove this logic from here and I will implement inter-service communication. What is the meaning of inter-service communication? Guys, what is the meaning of inter-service communication?
Two APIs का connect with each other.
Yes, two APIs are going to connect with each other. Two APIs are going to connect with each other. So as of now, that inter-service communication is not available. As of now, the inter-service communication is not available. So we need to establish that. Later we will establish. As of now, directly we are inserting the record into table from the order API only. So with this, all our backend 3 APIs are ready. They are working as expected. So in the front end, these are the changes that we need to implement.
Ashok, one thing. So the look and feel, right? If says, can you go to the UI part? So if you, I think, scroll down, up and down, the products are going up. See, it is going up. It should not go there, right?
Yeah, they should not go to that header part.
I will check with the CSS and that part. Okay, just look and feel. Okay.
Sure, sir.
I don't have any other task as of now. So let me again. This are all. I think very. I think lengthy. The input field in the checkout and some other thing. I will try to fix it in CSS. Okay, to make I think better look and feel.
These buttons, yes, correct.
This one, and I think for entire if entire project, just if you make it better look and feel, it will be good. I will try in CSS what I can.
Done. Now let me go to my repository code integration part. Front end application is there. Let me open my git bash.
Yeah, sure. One more thing. So when I checked in the code, I think installed all the NPM modules, everything. Okay, but if I download now, I'm not able to see the NPM modules. I think everyone will be working with the same code, right? Actually,
Have you tried npm install?
yeah. So what I'm saying is now I installed it now. Okay, it is working now. So before,
Even I was getting the error. Okay, fine.
Kannan, node modules will not go to the Git repository because of Git ignore file. It is not recommended to send the node modules to because node modules are a heavy size. So we don't send the node modules to Git repository. Wantedly, they will be skipped by using this Git ignore file.
Yeah, okay, now I understood.
Yeah, if you see the .git ignore file, which files we want to skip from the application to commit, right? The node modules we are skipping from the git ignore file.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Yeah, everyone who want to run the application, they need to use npm install, then only the node modules will be downloaded because the node modules size is very big. Okay, so if you see the properties of the node modules, so you can see that the size is very big. We should not commit the node modules into Git repository. How? Generally in the Java projects, target folder we don't commit to Git repository. Why we don't commit target folder to Git repository? It will contain the .class files and jar file or war file. Whoever is taking our project, they should build the project in their local, then the target folder will be generated. Similarly, when it comes to the front-end applications, node modules we should not add in the Git repository. That's why that node modules folder will be skipped by using git ignore file.
Okay,
So
sure.
whenever you want to work on this project, you should take that and you need to install that. Okay, fine guys. So I have my admin dash. I made some changes to the admin dashboard. I'm committing them. And order tracking ID, tracking number, I'm getting in the response. In the backend, I made it as a tracking number. I'm adding that. Okay, I made code changes. I'm committing my code changes and I'm pushing my changes. You can take the latest code from the Git repository and you can work on. So today, Tejal and Kannan is going to work on the UI part, whatever the observations that we have done.
So backend part, we are maintaining any repo because we have
Yeah, sir. Even I don't have the access to backend part.
Backend repositories, I need to keep all the 3 repositories at one place, right?
I just need the payment API because
Okay. I will do one thing. All the backend APIs I will keep in one folder and I will make it public. I will give in the group so that everybody can access that.
Okay, sure.
okay, sir.
So product API is available and order API is available and customer API is available. So 3 APIs are available and e-commerce application available in one API. So then let me do one thing.
Better we can have in the same thing or
Sorry.
better we can have in the same repository and we can make it to everyone.
github.com repositories e-commerce front-end application is there. This is separate repository only for the front end. Then I need to use different repositories for that. Okay, let me create it. Product API I'm creating. Create the repository. Okay, let me copy this. I'm pushing my backend APIs. Open git bash. Yeah, product repository is pushed. Then coming to orders API. In the orders API, I'm removing the Razorpay keys of these people. People should not misuse them. So with this product API is available in the Git repository, guys. Then I'm going to create another Git repository that is used for orders API. Create repository. Let me copy this. Yep. Orders API code is pushed to Git repository. Now coming to customer API is available. The customer API Tejal email properties are available. I will remove them. You need to configure your SMTP properties and keys, guys. I removed her properties from SMTP and I will push that code. Copy this.
This SMTP is similar to that we implemented as a part of mini project, right? So
Correct, sir. Same SMTP properties you need
the
to copy.
same thing.
Yeah. So it is done. All the 3 backend APIs available in our Git repository now. So the backend APIs, you can take it from our Ashok IT GitHub repository. Product API is public, orders API is public, customer API is public. Only our Angular is available in the private, limited people having the access for the Angular. So you can find out the Git repositories in this link. The people who has not completed, don't copy paste. You need to try this on your own. You got the Git repository link now, guys? 3 APIs we have completed. Those 3 APIs logic is available there. I have given the 3 APIs. You can access them by using my Git repository. So today observations in the front end, we need to make these changes. Okay.
Yeah,
Remove
sure.
alert messages, display messages, display success or failure messages, error messages as a text. Display success and error messages as text using div. Remove register button from the header and add it in the login page as hyperlink. In forget password with the given email, if record not present in DB, we should display error message saying no record found with the given email. Reset password email body should be changed. Reference sent in the group. Reference screenshot sent in the group. We should not ask the customer to enter email. We should not ask customer to enter email in the reset password page. We should handle that in the hyperlink only. We should handle in hyperlink only. After login successful, we should not display login button again in the header. We should display logout button. After placing the order, cart should be empty. Okay, today's observations. So we need to fix these issues. Yeah. Admin people, tomorrow I will check your issues, guys. So today also you can work on the admin API. So whatever the functionality is completed as of now, we are able to integrate product API, order API, customer API, product list, add to cart, checkout. So this functionality we are working on. Tomorrow we will see the admin API and admin UI part. Who is working on the admin? Rajeshwar and one more person?
Sure, sir.
Sadhana.
Sadhana.
Yeah, today also you can, you got the time today also. You can go through the admin functionality and try to work on that admin functionality today. Tomorrow, I will check your admin API. Okay. So if you have completed already, share the GitHub repository of admin API and I will look into that. Tomorrow
Okay,
we will
sure,
review
sir.
admin module functionality and I hope whatever the issues we identified, these issues will be fixed by today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Yeah.
Fine, guys. So how you guys are feeling about this collaboration and working? I'm not doing everything in the class. People are doing this. So do you like this approach or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the meaning of project development, teamwork. If one person doing everything, then you will not understand that. So it's a teamwork. People are doing this and we are integrating the code and we are facing some challenges. We are facing some issues. We are testing them and we are going to fix them. In the real time also same thing will happen, guys. So multiple developers will be available and they will be working with different functionalities. Multiple developers will be available. They will be working with different functionalities, code integration, lot of meetings will happen. One developer code is dependent on the another developer code, then we need to look into all those things and we need to integrate collaboratively. We need to work. That is called teamwork. In the company also we will follow the same approach. Good. So tomorrow we will see the admin API functionality. So yesterday I have already explained the requirement for admin API. So tomorrow we will review that. Sadanand and Rajeshwar, please try to complete your requirement before coming to tomorrow session.
Yeah.
Sir, I need
Sure,
to
sure.
commit
Yeah.
the code in customer API main branch, or I need to make a different branch develop and then commit over there, because I need to.
Access for that repository now in the customer API. This is my repository, right? You don't have access for this. What changes you want to do?
For the email part where forgot password is there, I need to check if the email is present or not.
Then
That change I need to add.
Collaborator here.
Okay.
I will make you collaborator. Your mail ID?
Tejal Khure, THULE. 1 second, I don't remember. 2512 @gmail.com.
I give the customer API repository access. You clone this repository and you work on this. And you integrate.
Directly on the main branch, or I need to create
You
it
can do on the main branch, or you can create a develop branch. No
okay,
problem.
fine.
It's always recommended to do on the develop branch.
Develop branch, yeah.
So create a develop branch and make the code changes.
Okay.
So I don't think we don't need any changes for the remaining APIs, right? Product API, no need of any changes. For order API, no need of any changes. For customer API, some changes required. I have given the permission for Tejal to make the changes. Good. Fine. Any other questions, anyone, guys?
The order API's transaction management is required, right?
We will implement that, sir. We'll see what is the scenario and we'll try to add that.
Yeah, sure. One.
Like any exception in the middle.
We will handle those.
So do you have any plan to have any workshop in Kafka, Spring, I think Cloud Stream?
Kafka, we will discuss in our class only, sir. In the next week,
Okay.
we'll discuss about Kafka and we'll discuss about Redis and all.
Okay. So we will be implementing with the Spring Cloud Stream, right? Not with the old code or.
Yeah, we will implement the Kafka streams only we will use.
Kafka streams only use. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. So with this, I'm stopping for today and we'll meet again tomorrow. Spring security class is there at 9:30. You can join for that.